Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Summer Autos, and we're here today to do a little bit of work on a couple of minis. It's a mini sort of day today. The little blue clubman is back because the window winder has decided it doesn't want to play anymore. We've got another little mini in, a very late Cooper, which needs a little bit of help in a couple of other areas. So there are some interesting repairs. I don't know if you can see that, but that is genuinely a baked bean can. And we've got a couple of areas on the floor that just need to be made a little bit more solid. So, hopefully not too tricky, but you never know with these things. Raquel's gorgeous little Clubman 1275 GT is still looking very grand indeed, and just give you a little idea, the window mechanism has basically fallen apart. It's destroyed itself, as you can see. So we've got another one, we'll fit that. It's a mini sort of day today, so just a little brief one. Hope you enjoy. See you soon. Cheers. Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on a bit of a time limit today, but thought I'd just show you the progress on the little mini. So, you see the floor is still a bit dented, but we've repaired it. So we've got welded all round, and the jacking point welded, inside the car as well, just to make sure it's strong enough. And then the other side was a much smaller little repair, a little bit easier to do. And so that concludes our little video for today. Thanks ever so much for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share. They're not tutorials, they're never going to be. You probably have a better way, but this is our way. And I'll leave you with, what's your favourite? Round or square nose? Maybe we should just let them fight it out. Thanks again. Cheers.